Shh. You hear that? It's boiling water from the lava. And then over there, that one was just erupting. Erupting. Oh! Alright, well, it looks like we're gonna get a little wet on this one, so I'm gonna have to, I'll take you up there, but then I'm gonna have to turn it off. I just saw a guy that got soaked. It's pretty funny. Yep. Isn't that so cool? Alright, this is the one that I was telling you about. I'm not on the other side yet, but who cares? This thing's crazy. It just explodes the whole time. It only dies down for a couple seconds. So, I think we're going to cross pretty soon, so I have to get... Probably went about 30 feet up in the air. Alright.